Welcome to my Tablet Guru YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to open this iPad 2 tablet. To open the tab you need a sharp tool, a sharp pointed tool or any object. As here you can see the guy is also using his sharp long nails. You have to insert the tool between the touch and display. The touch and display are connected to each other through a sticky solution. Very gently and softly insert the tool between the touch and the display. Now rotate the tool all around the tablet. While doing this process, be careful. Now let's put the tab on a soft cotton cloth. It will prevent it from getting any scratches at the back. Now gently rotate the tool all around the tablet. It's better not to perform this at your home, as you might damage your tablet. If your tablet is under warranty, then it will also get void. As you can see, we are almost done. In a moment or two, the touch will be separated from the display. Now here comes the touch. Now let's separate the display also. Use the screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Now touch and display are two separate entities. Touch is the screen which gives our touch instruction to the CPU, and the display is the actual screen which shows all the pictures and movies and games. Now here come the display also. Very gently remove it. As you can see, it is connected to the CPU through a wire, and that wire is connected to through a notch which has got a lock. Now let's unlock it using a pointed object. Just press gently to remove the lock. As here you can see. Now the notch screen has been removed. Notch has been removed. Now here comes the connecting wire. As you can see, it is a very shiny display, and it has got a metallic body at the back, and it is also very lightweight. Now here come the hardware, and it is really surprising to see 3 big batteries. This is the reason why this iPad runs more than any other tablet, as about 75% of the area is covered by the battery only. Now as here, this is the SIM card slot, micro SIM card slot, where we connect the SIM card. This is the front camera, 2 megapixel front camera. These 3 boxes contain the CPU chip, RAM and ROM. And this is the power wire which connect the battery to the chipset. This wire is the antenna which is used for capturing the Wi-Fi and mobile network. This line of wire is used for connecting the main chipset to the display, and these three boxes, metallic box, contain the RAM, ROM and CPU. And it's really surprising to see the main hardware component is packed in such a small space. And if we try to open to see that chipset, the iPad might get damaged, and it is highly secured. Now let's reassemble the iPad. First connect the display. Put all 4 screws back at the position. Now attach the touch screen. And be careful while assembling the tablet. It's better not to do this at your home. It will not only void your warranty, but you might end up doing a hardware damage to your iPad, as we have damaged our Wi-Fi antenna. Now let's open the tab and see if it's working. As here come the Apple logo. As you can see here that all the buttons are working, but at the later stage we find out that we have damaged the Wi-Fi and it's not working properly. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.